Today, let's draw a little fish. First, draw the fish's head. Draw the eye a bit bigger to make it looks bright and lively. Feel free to draw the curve of the fish's body however you like. It doesn't matter if the fish's tail is symmetrical or not. If someone says it looks strange, we'll just say, "This is exactly how we designed it." The sketch is complete. Now, start coloring. Leave the belly of the fish white. Use light blue as the base color for the back, so it turns out to be a blue fish. Feel hungry during drawing. In the next episode, let's draw grilled fish. Add a few details. Finished.
叱咤風雲我任意闖，萬眾仰我，叱咤風雲我。